in the interest of time, I just want to say that moving forward, well, of course, we've seen really the key outputs of the event being coming to life in the presentations that were delivered today, and they were so very well put together. And congratulations again to St. Vincent the Grenadines for and to all the teams for putting together such wonderful and informative and enriched, content-enriched presentation. They were very useful in us now looking at these. And I think the four teams, the presentations are really a reflection of what takes place throughout the region. So we can use those now, those presentations and the outputs of those presentations to really gauge the entire region. So next steps really, the CTU will prepare a final report, a detailed report on this workshop, and of course we'll share it with all the participants. But really, moving forward, I think one of the things that we really have to consider is how we can harmonize all the legislation in a sort of in a manner that it will do justice to every region. As I can't remember which somebody had said earlier that harmonization doesn't necessarily mean that they're identical. They should be interoperable. They should be compatible, and they should be coherent. I think that's the terms that somebody used. So that's our plan really, to prepare the report, probably by the end, maybe next 2 weeks or so, circulate it and get your input as to, also because we also like you to provide input as to how we proceed and move forward in the interest of regional harmonization. So Vashti, did I do justice in 2 minutes? Thank you. So thank you all and have a great evening and the rest of your stay in Barbados.